The United States is one of the most populated countries on Earth, but somehow 23.5 million Americans live in a food desert. But what exactly is a food desert? Well, it basically boils down to an area where fresh fruit, vegetables, and other healthy foods are hard to access, usually found in impoverished parts of cities and rural areas. Roughly 8% of Americans live in low-income areas that are more than a mile from a grocery store. But not all of that 8% are affected the same. Food deserts affect different racial and socioeconomic groups differently. Approximately 31% of white Americans live within a mile of a supermarket, whereas only 8% of African Americans do. In most food deserts, instead of having grocery stores nearby, there's a large number of fast food and convenience stores. Not having access to nutritious foods leads to many health problems, such as obesity. Already, there are efforts to fight the toll of food deserts in the country. Many areas have started community gardens, as well as local farmers markets where residents can buy fresh fruits and vegetables. Despite these efforts, there's still a long way to go. It'd help to call your local and state governments about building more grocery stores where there aren't any, improving public transportation systems to stores and farmers markets, or even providing cooking classes to teach people how to make healthy and inexpensive meals. To find your local and state legislators' contact info, go to openstates.org and let them know your thoughts on food deserts.